everyone, this is Tina from the Crafty Muffins, and this tutorial will tell you how to transform yourself into a Gothic unicorn princess, colorful and also dark. This is my official entry to the Nyx Face Awards 2018, so keep on watching. All the props and accessories have been handmade. Let's quickly see how I made them. To make the crown, I first drew the outline of a hairband on a piece of paper which has been divided into two equal parts. I then proceeded to draw a floral motif design on one of the sides. Once I was happy with my design, I folded the paper into half and cut the design like so. Then I traced the design on a piece of glitter foam sheet and cut it. With a glue gun, I then glued a thin hairband to the piece of foam. I also glued a strip of foam about an inch in width under the hairband to form a base to glue the flowers. I have decorated the crown with some rhinestones. Now it's time to glue the flowers. These roses have been handmade with craft foam. The crown is ready. To make the neck piece, I took some lace. I cut it to size to fit my neck and then glued some Velcro to the ends. I then cut smaller pieces of the lace and glued it below one another to give the neck piece a cascading effect. Lastly, I added some stones and decorative pieces to make it more appealing. For the horn, I took a piece of white glitter foam and folded it into a cone like so. I then glued the ends and cut off the excess. I made the outer edge slanted so that I can stick the horn properly to my forehead. Then I stuffed some cotton into it and closed the opening with a circular piece of foam. Then I tightly wound a piece of nylon string around the horn like so. Lastly, I shaded around the string with some grey eyeshadow to give it some dimension. Now let's get started with the makeup. First, I've prepped my skin with some toner and moisturizer. I'm using the NYX Pore Filler as a primer. Now hiding my hyperpigmentation marks with the NYX Conceal, Correct and Contour palette. Blending it out with a wet sponge. I'm now applying a mixture of the lightest concealer and a strobing cream all over my face. I'm blending it with a wet sponge. I have applied the same mixture over my neck and the area below my neck. And I will blend this out too. I'm setting this down with translucent powder. It's time to do the brows. I'm filling in my brows with a purple colored liquid lipstick. And half my brow with this purple color. Filling in the other half with NYX That's the Point liner to give it that sharp and angular look. I'm going over the purple color with the NYX Liquid Suede in shade Ego. I'm now blending in the black and the purple color to give it the ombre effect. I'm applying an eyeshadow base all over my lids and also under my eyes. I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Pencil to my lower waterline. I want my eyes to look bigger, so I'm filling the under eye area with some white liquid eyeliner like so. I am setting this down with some white eyeshadow. For my lids, I'm first starting off with a yellow eyeshadow from the NYX In Your Element Fire palette. I am applying this all above my crease. Now adding some depth to it with some orange eyeshadow from the same palette. I am now applying a purple eyeshadow right in my crease. I am now going to cut the crease with some concealer. I'm first making an outline with That's the Point liner from NYX, like so. I'm now extending the outline below my eyes too. I'm filling in the wing with the same liner. I'm now applying a metallic blue eyeshadow from the inner corners halfway through my lid. I'm now using a black eyeshadow and blending both the blue and the black colors together. Blend in some black eyeshadow in the lower lash line to give it a smoky effect. I am now applying the same liner on my eyelid like so. I'm now applying the NYX XXL mascara on the upper lashes like so. To complete the eye look, I have applied fake lashes on the top, and it's now time to move to the face. I'm dabbing some pink eyeshadow on my face with a sponge. I prefer using a sponge as it lets me blend it well. I'm covering my entire face and my neck area with this pink eyeshadow. I'm now taking a dark metallic purple eyeshadow and applying it to the corners of my face. I'm also contouring my cheeks with the same eyeshadow. I'm using some light purple and pink eyeshadow to blend this well. I'm also contouring my chin with the same eyeshadow. I'm contouring my nose as well. I'm shading the end of my nose with some black and purple eyeshadow like so. I'm gonna continue contouring my neck with the same eyeshadow. It's now time to highlight the cheeks. So highlighting my nose and forehead. I'm using a light purple metallic eyeshadow to highlight. I'm also highlighting my chin and a little above the lips. I'm also shading the area below the nose and between my lips to make it look like an extended nose. I'm now outlining my lips with That's the Point eyeliner from NYX. I'm filling in the edges of my lips with the same liner. I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Ego in between my lips. I'm gonna blend this and also add some light purple eyeshadow on top of my lips. I'm now going to glue the horn to my forehead with some lash glue. I'm now shading around the horn with some eyeshadow. I'm now drawing a design around the horn with the liner. I'm now applying some glitter on the sides of my forehead. I'm applying some rhinestones to the corners of my eye and also to my forehead. I'm now applying some glitter under my eyes. My makeup is now complete. I'll be quickly back after wearing my accessories. Thank you for watching. Hope you all liked the video and good luck to all the other contestants.